24 hours challenge in DLSU?
Grabe, sa sobrang mahal ng gas, stranded kami dito. 24 hours.
So the rules are simple. Basically, bawal kami lumabas ng Lasal for 24 hours. So dito kami kakain, maliligo, tsaka matutulog.
Paano natin yung gagawin?
Yung alam.
12 p.m. right now. So kailangan namin makasurvive until 12 p.m. bukas. So, ano lang, gagawin natin.
Lunchtime na eh. So, tara kain.
Let's go. Potato and corn po.
First meal of this challenge, man.
Ang init guys. Buta na may aircon yung DLSU bro. No? We're good.
Saan yung aircon?
Anywhere, like pag CR ka may aircon. Yo, it's 1:15 right now. Just chilling. Hindi namin alam ano pa gagawin. Lakad-lakad muna.
Tara.
Yun naman ginagawa natin eh. So. It's 2 p.m. right now. Dami nangyayari sa campus, you know. Dami na kasing bata eh. Pare, tanda na natin bro.
Ilan taon yun?
21.
Wait, 21 ka na? 18 pa lang kasi ako.
Oh, 17.
Wait, ikaw yung pinakamatanda.
Fresh.
So nga guys, I just finished editing and this guy just finished, reviewing his thesis.
Okay guys, 4:22 na. Dami na namin nasayang oras. Nag-aalam lang kami na magagawa right now. So, magpa-plan muna kami. Nandito tayo guys. Alam mo kung paano ko alam?
Paano?
Kasi nakasulat you are here.
So, saan na tayo pupunta?
Maghanap tayo ng classroom.
Let's go.
Para stop looking.
Kasi yung mukha mo.
Alright guys, dahil wala kami magawa right now, we're gonna tour you guys sa each buildings ng DLS. We re-rate namin yung place, yung ambience, yung classrooms. Yeah, let's go to spot number 1.
Tampayan ng mga meow-meow, mga siopaw. So,
Tara, let's go to the building.
first time nila Bon sumakay dito. Best elevator in the LSU. You know why? Just look at this.
Bro, nung nandito kami nung first year, wala pang elevator. Oh, may voice activation to. Si Jarvis.
Jarvis, open.
Oh. Kung hindi siya nagsalita, hindi yun
open.
Kailangan mo sabihin open.
Okay guys, so dito tayo sa mga medals. Actually, nung first year ako, ito yung napanalo ko eh. So, ito naman yung si Bon, yung napanalo nito ng second year.
Yup.
Tapos kaming tatlo, ito yung walking.
Oh, yeah. So, ayun nga, may na-contribute kami dito. So,
You're welcome, Lasal.
welcome.
Alright guys, moving on to the next CR.
Yung urinal naman mga like 10 out of 10 rin. Kasi like maximum of 4 players. So, pwede kayo mag-multiplayer dito. So,
So, what are you talking about?
toilet rin, squad rin. Kasi merong isa dito, tapos merong tatlo doon. So, yeah. Yo! Ano yung pinakamatagal mo dito sa Lasal? Yeah.
I'd say about 18 hours.
Ako medyo malapit na pala sa akin. Sasama sila sa
Magsisita
akin.
na, tulog na sila. Sir, sorry. Pagod ka na ba?
Oo.
You can sleep next to me.
Bakit kinilig ako doon, pre, medyo.
You guys enjoy, you guys enjoy.
So guys, the library is closed. We can't explore it. Oh my gosh, damn it.
Damn it? Ano? Damn it? What you gonna do about it, huh?
I'll kiss you about that.
Okay.
About that, I'll kiss you.
No.
I'll kiss you right now.
No.
I'll kiss you right now, bro.
No. 12 minutes before he woke up. But he went to sleep again.
Grabe, sarap. Natulog ko, parang first year ulit ako sa library na natulog. Ang sarap, maging sarap. Ano ba? Susunod kita eh. Yung nagana, gusto ko na umuwi.
Kaya tandaan mo, idea mo doon, bro.
Bro, I was having a bed.
Sabi ni Adrian sa amin last week, bro, tara gawin na natin. Excited na ako mag 24 hours schedule.
Bro, 6 hours pa lang. Tapos tayo give up na siya.
Kain na tayo para may energy ka tayo.
Kaya na lang tayo.
I can't imagine sleeping here, bro. Bro, nakikita mo yun? That's you, pre.
Bakit?
Because you're my star.
Me?
Yeah.
I'm your star? Stop!
Okay guys, it's currently 8. Tapos na kami magdrama-drama dun sa labas. So like mag-go something na kami. Kasi gabi na right now eh.
Pero 8 pa lang.
Oo nga, tamang-tama, 8 na. So tapos na mag-dinner yung mga ghost pre. Like naglalakad na ulit sila.
Saan? Dito?
Dito? Marami raw dito, no? Oo, dito.
Tara, ghost bus, ghost bus.
Oh, Byron, nagbuhat sa uti ng ganyan.
Byron, galing mo mag-acting ha. Kala ko like mo ito.
Nag-blend in,
Hindi, sakto naka-white kasi siya.
nag-blend in sa ino.
Parang may tao sa bus. Pare, ano yan? Uy, sino yan, bro? Sa bus?
Multo talaga.
Pare, what the f... Bakit nakakatakot?
Oh!
Oh my God.
Ano ginagawa niya?
Wala. Oh! Ay, takot din. Pare, this is a secret code ata of like no...
Ano kaya meaning nito?
No pa.
No pa?
No pa, tapos King, yan yung pangalan ng ghost. Korean yung ghost, no pa. No pa.
Ewan ko, pre, di ako nagko-Korean eh. Tanongin mo si Bob.
Okay, basically sinasabi like, na-aksidente sa swimming pool, kaya ayun, naging ghost na siya.
Okay, medyo nakakatakot dito, guys.
Medyo-
Maghanap pa tayo ng ghost, pre.
So nga guys, we're back here. Honestly, it looks a bit more creepier nga. Kanina umaga, like, medyo sunshine, medyo chill, pero ngayon, like, medyo mas nakakatakot. Uy! Ano yan? Pare, yan na naman. Yung ghost kanina. Pare.
Yes!
Pare, kanina pa tong ghost. Ba't mo kami fina-follow? Ba't mo kami fina-follow?
Fogging ghost. I'm single by the way, okay? Get na ako on Instagram, you know what I'm saying? Drop a DM or something. The guys are chinitas, preferably like 5'3" or something.
Basta wag mas matangkad sa kanya.
Para let's get out of here, pre.
Okay, alis na kami kasi hunted dito eh. Yung pare meron doon.
May nakita rin ako dun.
Nakita ka doon? Hindi lang ako. Okay guys, tapos na kami mag-ghost natin. Grabe guys, ilang beses na kami muntik makuha ng ghost.
Nakakatakot eh, medyo kamukha na ako eh.
Pare.
Ba't medyo kamukha mo?
Boy pa. Tell me something only Irvin would know. Naka-move on ka na ba?
Oh, syempre, matagal na eh.
Yung si Irvin yun. Kasi sinungaling si Irvin eh. Lagi niya sinasabi naka-move on na siya pero...
Dance hula hooky, cha cha cha. So it's
Guys, tinatag na ako. I have to do my work.
Pare.
Hey guys. Guys, mag-comment down below kayo. Sasama namin kayo sa YouTube video.
There are 50 people still awake right now.
Which is crazy, honestly.
50 people at 3 a.m.
Yeah. So guys, sa time-lapse muna natin yung tulog niya dyan habang wala tayong ginagawa. Woke up, bro. Guys, he just woke up. Looking confused. Okay, he's coming in. Slowly walking in. Okay. Okay guys, natulog na si Adrian. He basically came here and changed position just to sleep.
Ano si Adrian?
Guys, he's being creative now with his bed.
3 times na siya natulog in like 1 hour, bro.
He's trying to find the best sleeping position or sleeping variation dito sa Gox, guys. There's a cockroach there right now. It's approaching us.
It's 7:45 right now. Kaya kakaligo ko lang. And so far, ako lang yung gising right now. Mag-go eat some breakfast.
So, 24 hours in DLSU.
24 hours na?
Ano masasabi mo?
Wala naman. Hindi ka lang mga trip mo.
Walang point, no?
Last 5 minutes.
Congrats guys. Pinakamalang kwentang challenge.
Toast na ba?
Huh?
Toast na tayo.
Yeah. How do you feel, bro?
I'm back.
Alright guys, we just finished the 24-hour challenge in DLSU campus only. How are you feeling?
I miss my bed, bro.